Welcome everybody. It is Crypto Moose and the moose is loose. What we're going to do right now is go over my DEGA reward. So I've got two wallets in particular that have a significant amount of Cardano in my opinion. So it's about 13,000 to 15,000 depending on what I'm doing with my NFT purchases, etc. So by the way, when you are delegating or staking to a pool, you can still use the Cardano you have. Just understand that as it fluctuates, your live update will be reflected. So what we're going to do is first show you where you can check out a couple of other videos. So if you go on the channel under videos, you can go to the search bar and type in DEGA. All right, so I've got the DEGA ISPO multi-chain delegate now. This teaches you step by step how to delegate. I've got a few videos on it, and then I also have the dashboard, which is what we're going to do today. But I want to give you guys an update. We should be nearing 7,000 DEGA tokens. So, and by the way, we have over 250 videos, and we're finally capable to invite members as well. So you can click the join button and you can become a member. You get exclusive content. We answer your questions live and whatnot as well. So without further ado, let's go to dega.org. So when you get there, all you're going to do is go to your rewards dashboard. And as you can see here, there is what is that? 26 million live stake. So that's a pretty ridiculous number here. So already there's about 8.8 million. I believe these are the right numbers. It gets to be pretty crazy after a certain amount. It's hard to read the numbers, but I believe that's what it is. Almost 27 million Cardano staked, and then there is almost 9 million DEGA already out, which is really cool. It's really nice to see, right? So wallets with rewards, there's 1,235. I've got a few of them, probably 5 or 6 wallets now, something around there. So anyways, what we're going to do is paste in our address and see where we're at. So usually when I do this, I try to give you a little bit of how you can do it as well. So for example, I've got a couple wallets here. This is one of my main wallets. And if you guys ever want to see what I'm up to, just type in $red cape and you can view this wallet on pool.pm. So that's what we will do as well. So let me pull that up before we get started. So the idea of this, and by the way, if you haven't already, get into the DEGA 1 stake pool. So here's a visual representation of the wallet. And again, it is either $Tie.ADA or red cape. You can find it. So what you're going to do is go to your public address, copy it. You're going to go to cardanoscan.io, and I will have links in the description below for you, and you're going to search. Once you do that, you're going to look for your controlled stake key. Now, if you're using Yoroi, much easier to find. You're going to copy the stake key, and then you're going to go to the rewards dashboard and paste it in the bottom left, add address. So let's see where we're at. So with this particular wallet, it's only been about five or six epochs, I would say, at most. And we've already earned 5,881. So almost 6,000 just on that wallet, which is nice. And one thing I wanted to mention is that I also minted for the Hero NFT. So I did a video on that as well. So that's going to give me a 5% bonus. Now, I don't know if this is going to be reflected at the end. That I don't know, or it's going to be reflected in real time. I assume at the end. That's when the bonus rewards are coming. So perhaps we'll go over that as well. So let's do another wallet. So I've got a few wallets delegating. I just did this one recently, so there won't be anything. But you know, I recommend having probably closer to 500 ADA if you're going to really get the most juice out of this. So if we go to this wallet, we got 3,000 ADA. I haven't touched these assets. By the way, as well, I've got 3,500 MELD, and I've also got 1,600 Kopi in a couple wallets, and that will give you the partnership reward bonus as well. So take advantage of that. Of course, these are decentralized blockchains, and it's worth doing so. So if we search this public address, we can find the controlled stake key, copy again, and then we're going to paste it in the rewards dashboard. So with these two wallets, let's see where we're at. So the first one is 5,800 roughly, and then this wallet we're at 1,250. So we are at approximately 7,000 ADA. We're at 7,000 DEGA that we've already received, and we have a long ways to go. So if we take a look at the calendar, right, we are, let me see on my phone as well, or it should be in the top right. So Thursday, July 20th, we have end of July, we're going to get, so it's every 5 days, right? So end of July, we're going to get 2 more. And then August, let's say we get, for example, let's just say we get 5 or 6 per epoch, right? So we've got six months approximately, right? So August, September, October, November, December, part of January. So let's just do 5 times 6. What is that? 30. So I should be able to get, I don't know, probably 15,000, 15 to 20,000, and it'll go into this wallet. And that's just me being conservative, plus this. So I'm thinking I will end up with an estimate of 23,000 to 25,000, and then plus bonus rewards. Comment down below what you guys think I will get by the end of this. Also, I will be adding more Cardano when I get the chance. I'm trying to finish some projects, add more funds. So by the way, if you are delegating, if you did watch this video, okay, so again, go on the channel. By the way, you could probably still get those bonus rewards if you delegate ASAP. So I recommend just setting up a wallet, staking, and watch this video. The DEGA multi-chain ISPO delegate now. I show you step by step in that video. And we have shorts. And in the shorts, we have another video. I know we have a DEGA video right here. Right here. What is DEGA? And then how to delegate to the DEGA ISPO. 100 views. Something's wrong with that. Should have more. So anyways, guys, that's all I really wanted to share with you. Don't forget, check out this free Cardano mini course. All you have to do is provide your email. You get downloadable footage. So you get every video. You can download it to your laptop, watch it on the go on a road trip. You get a custom workbook. It's completely free. All we do at the end is we sell you on our premium online courses. And if you're not interested in that, that's more than fine with me. I don't care. If you want, just keep watching this content. You're going to get a lot out of it as well. So with that being said, guys, I'm getting phone calls from Elon Musk. Now he's asking me about DEGA. I got to go. And if you want, you could also check out the link tree and get more information. So it's linktree/Crypto Moose channel. And all the links are in the description below. Gotta go.